Alright, hi. Today I bring you one of the most pompous ways you can ever run an application or shut down your PC or put it on standby. It's called the emergency button, and what you do here is that first you have to run the application. Give me a moment. Yes, and when you run it, hot-blooded Sentai music starts playing in the background. You press the open button, and that opens your emergency button. So cool. Then you press the button and check it out. That's my monitor. Kick ass. And now Firefox is running. It's brilliant, brilliant. Emergency button, yes.